Welcome to the eBakery YouTube channel, the agency for online merchants. Have you ever wondered how the search results function on Amazon every time you type a word or phrase? What will be shown and how everything is ranked depends of course on the keywords on your Amazon listings. But wouldn't it be ideal to rank search results that didn't fit in the title, description or bullet points due to the character or syntax? That's exactly why Amazon Backend Keywords exist. Backend Keywords can, as the name says, be added to the back end to increase the visibility of your products. This means that you can give a positive influence to your Amazon SEO without the user seeing it. A big advantage of these backend keywords is, for example, spelling mistakes in complex phrases that make you show up in the search results. Let's get to the facts. You're limited to 250 bytes. This means that even commas, apostrophes and spaces will be counted. But what's the point of these bytes? Why not just use characters? It's because not every character is treated in the same way on Amazon. Special characters can amount to 2 or even 3 bytes, like the character for the euro currency, for example. Now you know what Amazon backend keywords are, but you don't know how and where to integrate them. Let's have a look. Go to your Amazon Seller Central, click on Manage Inventory and then click on the product that you want to optimize. Then click to edit the product and go to the keywords category. Where should you pay attention now? Separate your keywords with spaces. Don't repeat keywords. Also, don't repeat keywords that are included in your title or description. Keep an eye on your available bytes, otherwise you might lose your changes after leaving the page. Use only keywords that are really important for your product. The use of irrelevant viral keywords won't help you. Don't use any brand names, not even your own. Even the use of singular or plural keywords is unnecessary. Now you know what you shouldn't be doing. Let's go over some tips on how to do it right. Use spaces to separate your keywords. Type the key phrases in a logical order as a potential customer would do. Use shortcuts. Here's a small example for any viewers who are enthusiastic about cameras. No one would ever type camcorder Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K out of laziness. That's why it would make sense in this case to simply add in your backend keywords BMPCC 4K. Use synonyms for your current keywords if you're out of ideas. Let's end this video with one of the most frequently asked questions. What are those platinum keywords? Those are relics from an older Amazon version when platinum merchants still existed. Filling this field with keywords won't improve your traffic, but won't harm it either. Hopefully we could give you a small insight on Amazon backend keywords with this video. If you'd like to see a practical example about keywords for a special product, then give us a comment or subscribe for more Amazon content. With that in mind, have fun optimizing your products. Your eBakery team.